Just got done editing some photos. My boy John from the previous vlog that we did the McLaren with just asked me if I wanted to go shoot a GTR and Supra with him. Of course I do. So I'm gonna get ready for that. I'm very excited. I know the GTR is pushing like 850 horsepower. I don't know about the Supra, but they're both white, so I know it's gonna look good. Yeah, let's go. Also forgot to mention, I had another friend of mine who actually got me into shooting weddings. I started by second shooting with him a lot, but he's doing a Bailey Zimmerman concert tonight, so I'm gonna tag along, shoot that with him. I don't know how much I'm actually gonna capture and document, just because it's a concert. I don't want to be talking. It's gonna be loud. But I'll share those any clips I get, but all the photos I get, I'll put some up right now as I'm talking. Blah 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 blah. Boom, bam, 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 bam. Yeah. Also, just did a shoot with my boy Noah, who just hit 10,000 followers on Instagram. He did a collab with Russell Westbrook's, what's the name? Honor the Gift, Russell Westbrook's clothing brand. So we're just gonna go around, kind of make the outfits look dope, do something cool. Excited for that as well. It's very cold outside though, so that might get a little chilly, but it's worth it. Let's go.
That's a bit. All fun and games until a train comes.
All right. You talking about Christmas gifts or what? No, I'm good. Setting up this whole gimbal ordeal. Like a stabilizer. This thing's crazy, but I haven't.
It's a new one, or you've been having it?
I mean, it's new, but I've had it for like a month and I haven't used it yet.
Oh, so bad. I had to hand cut some windows today. I'm super spoiled.
I know. I was gonna say you're probably spoiled.
I was so pissed. I was like, this is stupid. Gotta cut this windshield out these sides. I'll never go back to that life. I damn near almost rescheduled that too.
All right.
Yeah,
All right.
I was spending time putting money on the weekend. Know I've been a bug when all the money got me faded. I was spending time out the coupe out the occasion. Am I feeling up from the far out the freeway? I'ma shut it, come start to see. I'ma sing out on my tongue to see you. And then my love is too hard to fade you. I'm missing out, cause you know I gotta see you. Cause you know I gotta know, making up me. Pocket so big, gotta put it.
Plow through real quick. Yeah, I had to get a whole second phone because I was filming too much. It was taking up all my space. So I have an iPhone 11 that I use as like my main phone.
Yeah.
And then I found one on Marketplace. Dude said it was unlocked so I could use it with any whatever. It ended up being locked. But I didn't even want to add service to it. I just wanted the camera. So it's like he thought he got over on me, but really I was like, hey bro, the camera works, I don't care. Like, so it's yeah. So I do social media for White Glove Exotic Services, if you've heard of them.
Right behind RP.
Yeah, yep. And then I have like 2 or 3 other clients, and then my own personal stuff. So like in 3 months I can fill up like, yeah. Lightroom is my go-to, Lightroom and Photoshop. And then honestly, like I have like 10 years of experience with Premiere Pro, and like, so I can get super advanced with everything. But honestly, like I just color grade on my computer, and then I just upload to Google Drive, and I just put it all together in CapCut, because CapCut makes it just really so much easier, dude. Like, and part of me hates it because it's like the TikTok editor, but I'm like, dude, it does everything I need in seconds. Like,
I just don't, like, I record for YouTube, and like, dude, I use CapCut for everything.
Yeah.
TikTok, fucking YouTube,
Uh-huh.
easy, dude.
Yeah.
Just drag it, and it's got so many like
All the
different-
presets that you need versus like doing one effect in like Premiere would take you like
Yourself, basically.
5 minutes. Like, what kind of YouTube do you have? Like, is it a vlog or?
So I was vlogging basically. I was doing a lot of like recording like a lot of like great like.
Yeah. Duh, I got some rollers while I was.
Oh, you did? Ooh, sharp. Ooh.
Duh, I was literally driving with my knee.
Normal voltage.
Yeah.
Aperture on the lowest and then auto ISO or what?
Here, let me see. Yeah, see what it looks like. Hey, like right there, because that way you can brighten up down there, and then you're still capturing the sky, so you can do all that. Yeah, actually. Yeah, it's fire. One thing is he needs to line up. Can you move the Supra real quick? Yeah. Come a little bit. Not wheel. My bad. Other way. My bad. My bad, I was being confusing because I was telling you to go left and I was trying to tell you to like straighten the wheel.